This is Nicole Janes with the Odell Group, and we're here to take a look at my latest listing on Via del Sol and Mission Viejo. This home is absolutely stunning. It's single level, 3 bedrooms, and has been updated top, bottom, side to side with no detail spared. Let's go take a look. See, what did I tell you? This home is an absolute masterpiece, completely stunning top to bottom and ready for you to move right on into. It's gonna fly off the market, so reach out now to book your own private showing.